This 8-ton knuckle boom truck-mounted crane has a maximum lifting capacity of 8,000 kilograms, and a 12.75 m long boom spread sweeping the blind spot. The four-link structure is as stable as Mount Taishan, lifting accurately and efficiently, with the professional lighting system. Day and night operation is stress-free. Folding arm design flexibly adapts to the needs of construction sites, logistics, rescue, and other scenarios. A multi-purpose machine, strength all-round. Strong performance, high flexibility, all-weather, the lifting expert by your side.